Hyundai just dropped a massive reality check on overpriced electric vehicles. Say hello to the all-new 2026 Hyundai Inster. Evolving from the quirky, petrol-powered Casper city car sold overseas, this tiny subcompact EV has been stretched, re-engineered, and packed with high-tech pixel DNA to conquer tight city streets. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are breaking down its clever folding bed-like interior, the surprising dual battery range stats, and the rugged cross edition that completely redefines micro-crossovers. Visually, the Inster is an absolute charm, looking like a baby Ioniq 5 that shrunk in the wash. Compared to the Casper it replaces, Hyundai stretched the wheelbase by 180 millimeters, giving it a total length of 3,825 millimeters. This places it perfectly between traditional tiny, city hatchbacks and larger compact SUVs. Up front, proudly wears circular LED daytime, running lights combined with high-tech circuit board-style bumpers and distinct pixel graphic turn signals. Step up to the newly launched Inster Cross variant, and you get aggressive off-road style skid plates and unique 17-inch alloy wheels. The mechanical setup is surprisingly capable for a dedicated city commuter. You can spec the Inster in two front-wheel drive configurations, the standard range featuring 42 kilowatt-hours battery, making 97 horsepower, or the extended range pack, boasting a 49 kilowatt-hours battery, pushing out 115 horsepower. While 115 horses sounds modest, the instant electric torque makes it a blast stoplight to stoplight, securing up to 360 kilometers of WLTP driving range. Plus, its charging speeds past cheap rivals with a 120 kilowatts DC fast charging capacity. Features a full 3.6 kilowatts vehicle two-load system to power household appliances right from the seats. With its ultra-clever, modular, interior fast-charging platform and comprehensive SmartSense ADAS safety suite, the 2026 Hyundai Inster targets an incredibly sharp estimated entry price right around $25,000 US, to making it one of the most accessible mainstream EVs on Earth. If you want a stylish park-anywhere urban commuter that doesn't feel cheap, Hyundai has built a total winner. Would you choose this over a BYD Dolphin or an MG4? Drop your thoughts below, hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we will see you in the next review.